Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine, very good. Where are your videos, children? Are your videos sleeping? Put them on if they are awake. Gunagya is sleeping, Adrika is sleeping, Prasoon is still sleeping. Wake up, children, wake up. Good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good. Adrika single.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Adrika. I'm seeing you for the first time. Why don't you attend your classes regularly, beta? You don't like them? I can't hear you. Your voice is gone now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I see my timetable, but then when I see that I'm not ma'am connected to the group.
You are not?
Ma'am, can we do quiz today of typing in the chat box?
Okay, of typing in the chat box. Okay, good idea. It's weekend today. So let's make it an activity class.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's make it an activity class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? We are going to have...
And ma'am, who gives the first answer will get 1 point.
Okay, but it is a different kind of a game that I have thought about.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let everybody just join in.
And I was saying that only because for typing, because my typing is fast.
And see, Utsav, you want to win. And those who are typing is slow, how will they feel? Those whose typing is slow, yes.
Ma'am, they cannot give the answer.
Anna?
My typing is slow, but not.
Okay, no problem. We are going to play a very interesting game today.
Okay, ma'am.
Let everybody just join. Because we are done with the revision, we are done with the reading. We have done all of it.
Ma'am, what we will do today? An activity.
You want to study or you want to do some activity?
Ma'am, activity.
Yes, not study.
Let's not study. Already you people are genius.
An activity.
Good. Yes. Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, Saturday is my very good day because ma'am, in Saturday all the good periods are there.
All periods are?
Ma'am, all periods are good in Saturday.
On Saturday. So what
Yes,
all periods do you have today? Tell me. You have 2 periods with me.
Ma'am, math, science, SST, computer. Ma'am, math, science, SST, computer, ma'am, these are my favorite subjects.
Oh. So that means you don't like English and Hindi.
No, ma'am, I like.
Then.
Good morning, ma'am. Tomorrow is my brother's birthday.
Ma'am, I like all the subjects, but these are my
favorite subjects. Okay, now everybody has got their SST books.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the game is, everybody first of all put your videos on. Okay, I want to see how you will play.
And we have to find a word.
Yes, I will tell the page number and the word. And the game is word hunt. Okay.
Oh, yeah, ma'am, I love this game.
Then you tell the page number and we have to find that word.
Yes.
Which word you tell? Okay, ma'am.
Abhimanyu, Gunage and Prasun, please put your videos on, beta. Let's have some fun. Don't put your cameras close. I want to see your expressions.
Ma'am, and how can we see? Ma'am, how can we tell that we have found?
Okay, you will type in the chat box. That you will type it.
Then what we have to type?
See, I am going to tell a word. Like suppose
Yes,
I will say page number 35 and the word is remember. Now, suppose you find that word. You will say, ma'am,
Yes,
in paragraph language, line number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th word. Like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the chat box we have to type or in audio we have to type?
Ma'am, we
No,
can
not
speak.
in audio. Not in audio. You have to type in the chat box. Okay?
Ma'am,
Like
but
for
my
example,
typing speed is slow.
no problem. You can type like this, 6th line, 4th paragraph, 3rd word. Like that. Okay? You'll do it this way. Now, everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody put your videos on.
I'm ready.
Everybody put your videos on. Abhimanyu, Anshuman, Gunage, Iram. Everyone.
Chat box खोलनी जैसे ही मिलेगा डाल दूँगा. And my videos on.
Okay.
Videos on.
So it's page number. Page number 106 and the word is Victoria.
Next page number
106. The word is Victoria.
Ma'am. Ma'am, because of network issue, ma'am, I can't join the class at the time. Ma'am, can you tell me what we are doing?
Yes, Devarya.
Yeah, ma'am.
We are playing a game today. The name of the game is... Got it? Then write it in the chat box. I haven't received any message.
Ma'am, I have said.
West Bengal, ma'am, 3rd paragraph, 2nd line, 4th word. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Iram Naz also. Now, Devarya, I'm going to tell a word and page number. You have to find that word and you have to write in the chat box where that word is.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you tell me? I can't join the class at the time.
Now, can you hear me, Dev?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to find a word. We people are just doing this activity today. The activity is word hunt. And let's see who... Very good, Utsav. Yes, good. Now wait, let me speak. And the one who will find... Beta, please be quiet. Let me talk. Don't talk in between. Let me at least explain him. He has joined the class late. You have to find that word and type in the chat box that where that word is. Which paragraph, which line, and which word. Okay, Dev? Got it?
Ma'am, in which chapter we have to find this?
I will tell you the page number. Okay, I will tell you the page number. On that page, you have to find the word. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So the word Victoria, the first one to answer is Utsav Gangwar. Now Devarya, put yourself on mute. Varin, mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Everybody mute yourself. Otherwise, I will not play.
Ma'am, please tell me the page number.
Everybody put yourself on mute. Now page number 113 and the word is sandalwood. Page number 113, the word is sandalwood.
Sandalwood. Sandalwood. Sandalwood.
Ma'am, which page number?
113. 113.
Okay.
Okay. Abhimanyu Srivastav is the first one to give the answer. Let's see who's
First
very good.
my typing is slow.
Yes, Varun is the second one. Very nice.
My typing.
So Abhimanyu, Varun and Iram Nas. What about other children? Are you enjoying the game or not?
Ma'am, if I am the first, I enjoy, and if last, I do not enjoy.
Ma'am, I am first.
Okay, now let's see who finds out. The next page number is... Ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 112. The word is bauxite.
What?
The word is bauxite. Page number 112.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Bauxite. B-A-U-X-I-T-E. Bauxite.
Ma'am, bauxite.
Sorry, please don't pay attention to such kind of news. Okay, there could be a fox, there could be a hoax. Hoax means of you. Okay. We will let you know if there are any development related to that. Don't worry about it. Chilean is joining us again. I don't know what is here. No, let us not waste time. Okay, ma'am. Others, Rupendra, your team has submitted the project?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Is there any group left who has not submitted?
Ma'am, may I tell something?
Ma'am, I was founded, but it's
It was that Miss Shiven was not doing the editing because, ma'am, our group was
Very nice. Abhimanyu Srivastav is again the first one.
Ma'am, I have found it, but it has gone.
What has gone?
Ma'am, I do not remember.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can't send in the chat box the answer.
You can't send. Why?
You are needed.
Send option.
Beta, what option?
Okay, no problem. So,
Ma'am, can we speak the word?
There will be so much chaos. There will be so much noise. What's wrong, Utsav? Why can't you type?
Ma'am, I can type, but ma'am, I have, ma'am, मैंने ढूंढ लिया था, but ma'am, it was gone somewhere.
Okay, you missed it.
Ask somebody that how
Yes,
to do
sir.
that, and then you can yourself do.
Okay, can you please tell me in whose house some classes are going on? Some teaching noise. I can hear some teaching voices. Adrika. Adrika, please mute your mic.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dave,
Please say
speak.
the word again. Please say the word again.
Dev Arya has also sent the answer. Paragraph 1, Karnataka, third line, second one. Okay, children, now get ready. Now here we had answers from Abhimanyu and Utsav Gangwar only. Ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same page, 112th page. And the word is diamond.
Diamond. मुझे तो मिला था, कहाँ गया?
Ma'am, I have found it.
अभी तो यही था. कहाँ है? अभी तो यही था.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh fourth line, 11th word. Ma'am, I have
Written. Very nice. Madhya Pradesh, fourth line, 11 word. Madhya Pradesh, fourth line, 11 word. Now, Dev Arya, what you have done is you have copied and pasted Utsav's message. Exactly the same mistake. Dev Arya.
Ma'am, it is the mistake.
See the spelling of Pradesh. Yes, beta. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, due to some network issue, I am connected now. So can you tell what we are doing?
I will only tell when everybody will mute himself. Dev Arya, beta, you never mute yourself. I don't know what is wrong with you. Dev Arya, keep yourself muted.
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Chat box.
What is wrong?
Ma'am, I can't see this send button.
In the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you only have to enter it.
Ma'am?
Yes. Beta, while I'm talking to one person, why do you speak in between? Let me at least finish with one student. Yes, this is how you have to do. Just keep your hand raised. Adrika, are you having a phone in your hand or you're having laptop? Tablet. So you just have to press enter. Now, where is that enter? Where is that arrow key?
Ma'am, in keyboard there was a button enter. He has to click it.
But she is having a tab. But she's having that tab, no? Show me your tab. Can I see it? No. How will I be able to see it? No. Yes. Now who raised hand? Okay. So Adrika Singhal, if you are not being able to type it, you can just speak it. Okay. I give you the permission to speak. Send
Can I also speak because my typing speed is very slow?
No. At least you can type. You can't type only. She doesn't have that option. Yes. Now Anshuman was asking me something, or who was asking? Again, Devarya has unmuted.
was asking.
Standard beta. In 11, 20 marks are there for listening and speaking skills. What is going to happen? And in Viva also.
Whose house some classes are going on? Adrika Shingal is on mute. There is somebody else also.
There are 3.
What's up?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is coming.
Enjoy.
It is coming from whose house?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but here is no classes are doing.
No, I can hear the sound. Can't you clearly hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when you mute, the noise is not coming.
All right. Now everyone has got what we are doing. Ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Page number.
Please wait. Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra, I can't understand even a single word. You are speaking and some kind of music is coming out.
Ma'am, I am the first now.
Kushagra, beta, you better
What
type
we
in the
are
chat box and tell me.
Ma'am, due to some network issue, I was connected.
First time is there.
Now listen what we are doing. You have your social studies book. I thought that we will...
hear you.
You can't hear me. Why can't you hear me? Beta, you have a real some signal problem at your side. On daily basis, I remember something keeps happening with you. The signals on your side are very weak. Get your signals checked. Get your network checked.
Page number of first.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm talking to him, Gunagya.
Kushagra.
Where is Kushagra? All right, children, page number 51.
Ma'am, please wait.
Page number 51. And the word is trapped. Trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Trapped. Page number 51.
Words.
Yes, we are playing word hunt. I'm telling you page number and you have to tell me where's the word.
Ma'am, we have not did anything written.
No, we haven't done anything written because we have completed our work. We have completed
Okay,
our syllabus. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. Utsav, very quick, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have given 3 answers.
Yes.
The second line and the second word.
Where, Adrika?
In this green earth, it is in the second line and in the second word.
What is the word, beta? Which word have you found?
Ma'am, you were talking about patch.
No, I said trapped. Trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Okay, so we have Utsav, Anshuman, Varin, Iramnaz, Abhimanyu. All have found the word. Lakshita Gangwar. Very good. Yes. Factpedia. Very good. But Adrika, don't show it next time like this. Okay?
Okay,
Only speak it out. Very good. Now, the next word is...
Please tell the next word.
Page number 64 and the word is usually. The word is usually.
Usually. Ma'am, what is the next page number?
Page number 64. The word is usually.
Ma'am, usually.
Yes.
Very much influenced by the by the peaceful nature of the art. Peaceful, that's the skill.
Ma'am, color 12 lines, 16 words. Okay.
Ma'am, I forgot. Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, we are playing a game, word hunt. We are playing a game, word hunt. We are just having fun today.
Ma'am, I am also the first now.
Yes. Color, second last line, last word. Very good, Lakshita. Very good, Varun. Second late line, late word. Okay, this word is late, Varun. I didn't know.
Anybody said, many children are copying mine.
No, nobody is copying yours.
Ma'am, Dev.
Dev, color 12 line, 12th word. No, he hasn't copied yours.
Ma'am, I have seen. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I am seeing. Ma'am,
No, Utsav, you are mistaken, beta. He hasn't copied. See, you have written ma'am, color 12, line 16 word, color. And has color 12, line 12 word. Both answers are different. Both the replies are different. Okay, so again we have Utsav. Now let's keep Utsav aside. Utsav, you will not reply the next one.
Ma'am, this is cheating.
Yes, let's see now who is the one who can reply fast. Just
Okay,
one. You should sacrifice one turn of yours for your friends. Page number 97 and the word is monastery. Page number 97. Page number 97 and the word is monastery. Monastery.
I have found it, but I cannot write.
Okay, very good. Very nice.
मिल गया.
Very good. Iram Naz, Jayesh, very nice. Third line, second word.
Yes, that is what is a complaint. It's a kind of complaint. What is that complaint? And why? The students should be asked, who took it like that? Complaint is there. Cry.
What word did you ask about?
Monastery. Monastery. Factpedia, the third word. Factpedia on the top.
The first line, third word.
Yes, first line, third word. Varun Goyal, some classes are going on at your place, beta.
No, ma'am.
Everybody is muted. I don't understand where is that sound coming from.
Yes, ma'am.
Declaration was kind of a complaint on a
Then there is no classes going on at my home. At my home, there is me, my father, and my small brother only.
Okay. Now, the next word is same page, 97.
Can I answer?
Yes, now you can answer.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Same page, 97. And the word is reserve. Reserve.
Nobody would ask it. Again and again. They could skip and they don't have to worry about board, stress, nothing. They're everything peaceful. But someone says, they do not fly away. Very interesting. They do not fly away to the mark and keep for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Do they repent? Do they repent from this? Yes. They repent.
Okay, Iram is the first one to answer. Very nice. Iram comes first. Utsav, second.
Ma'am,
Utsav stands. Yes, Lakshita.
in Assam, in the 14th line, first word.
Very good, Advika. Devarya, third last line, first word. Second line, first word.
Third line.
Varun says Assam, last second line, first word.
Then third line it is.
Yes, last third line.
By mistake, I've written second line.
No problem, no problem.
And now give some. Please now give some very difficult.
Very difficult. For that, I have to find a page where it is.
Ma'am, from Let's Learn About Ma'am T Times. Ma'am, from here.
Okay.
Have you seen our sleeping? They don't have thinking about why we sleeping.
Then now we will play another game.
What is that game? Now, page number 105. And the word is textile. 105 textile.
लेकिन अब ढूंढना भी मुझे वाराणसी में शायद मिल जाए तो उत्तर प्रदेश है मैम इन उत्तर प्रदेश in the third paragraph and in the third line first word.
Very good. Very good, Adrika. Adrika is the first one now.
If I don't go to the temple, I'll be punished.
Uttar Pradesh, third paragraph, third line, first word. Uttar Pradesh, third paragraph, third line, first word. Yes.
I'm in typing. I am the first.
Yes. Very nice. Utsav, Abhimanyu. What about others? Gunagya, Anshuman, Jayesh, Varun. Are you not enjoying the game? Everybody put your... Okay. Everybody put your videos on. All of you, your videos should be on.
My video is on.
Okay. Put your videos on. Everyone. Iram Naz, why do you look so upset? Are you not enjoying? You look a little angry. Is it so? Are you not happy? Devarya, Gunagya, Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, what's wrong? Put your video on. Abhimanyu, you have specs now? You had them in class 3 also? No. So are these style specs or you actually have number?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for study, my mother has brought this specs.
All right. So just to protect your eyes. Otherwise, your eyes,
Yes,
your eyesight isn't weak, no? That's good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Good. Now, children, we are left with 4.5 minutes. Any other thing that we can do? The game has become a little boring now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to find colors.
Colors? Where will you find colors?
Ma'am, in the house.
Oh.
Ma'am, in the house, you tell color and we find.
Ma'am, in room.
Have you played this game before in any class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Palak,
ma'am.
ma'am has played this.
And Palak class.
So you were running around in your own house?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in room. Ma'am, like this, we have brought the things and showed.
Oh, very nice. Very interesting game. You should have told me before. Now we have one more period today. In that period, we are going to play this game.
We have one more period today.
Yes, we have 2 periods, right?
Yes,
Don't you know,
When
children?
in that period we will play.
Yeah.
When in that period will we
Yes.
play this game.
Now no time is left. So we'll play this game in that period. First, children, please wait. Let me take your attendance. I haven't completed it. Utsav Gangwar, Adrika, Gunagya, Prasun, Varin, Iramnaz, Anshuman, Abhimanyu, Jayesh, Dev, Arya. Anybody else? Lakshita. Anybody else is left? Kushagra.
No,
Kushagra is left. Rest all are done. Now, Iramnaz, tell me the spelling of eucalyptus. No. E-U-C-A. E-U-C-A.
Then what is the word in line? And then what is the word in
Very good. Eucalyptus. Very good. Varin Goyal, tell me the spellings of receive.
R-E-C-I-E-V-S.
Huh? V-S.
V.
V-E.
V.
V-E. R-E-C-I-E. No. R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Yes, Abhimanyu. Tell the spellings of receive. Beta, unmute yourself.
R-E-C-I-E-V-E.
No. Anybody else?
Yes.
What is the spelling of receive? Yes, tell.
R-E-C-I-E-V-E.
Children, yesterday also you made the same mistake and I corrected. It's R-E-C-E-I-V-E. I showed you on page number 79 this last word. See here. What is it?
Ma'am, receives.
Then what is the spelling? Read it out.
R-E-C-E-I-V-E-S.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not R-E-C-I. R-E-C-E-I. Clear? Then what is the spelling of Chhattisgarh? Yes, speak. Adrika.
Ma'am, C-H-T-I-S-G-A-R-H.
It's C-double-H. Not C-H. It's C-double-H-A-double-T-I-S.